How to fix disk write error on Steam. Let's get started. Launch your Steam app. You will land to this kind of interface. Now at the top left corner you can find the option of Steam. Click on it. Different options will appear. Go ahead and click on the option of settings. After you open the Steam settings page, you're gonna find different options over here. Head towards the option of storage. At the very top you'll find the option of storage. Click on that drop down. Different options will appear. Choose where your Steam games are currently being installed. After you select it, now head towards these three dots. Different options will pop up. Click on the option of repair library. Click on it. Now click on close. Now you can close your Steam app. Likewise, you will need to restart your PC. So go ahead and click on the start icon given at the bottom left corner. Click on this power icon. Now go ahead and click on the option of restart. Once you restart your PC, your problem will be fixed. So this is how you can fix disk write error on Steam. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.